Okay, these would be the basic parts that you need to get started. You got the router, modem, networking cable, cable to connect the cable modem to the router, power adapter, and your original machine that you're going to work off of. Okay, what we're going to do is go over the basic connection of how it looked first, so you have basically a picture of what it looks like, and then we're going to apply it wherever you would set it up, and you could go from there. So what you would originally do first is to take your cable modem and go ahead and get it plugged in and set up, because this takes the longest to connect to your internet service provider and stuff like that. So that's what we'll go ahead and do first. And then what you want to do is take a colored cable that you know you won't disconnect, because this is going to connect the modem. So what you're going to want to do is, this is going to come from the modem, and this will be all plugged in. And then what you're going to want to do is plug this cable. As you can see on the back, you have a bunch of connections. The 4 that are connected, typically on every modem, every router, will always be your sharing or your local area connection ports. This is where all your home PCs will be plugged into if you're using a wired connection, USB connection, and your internet connection, and your power source, of course. So what you want to do is take your internet source and plug it into your internet port. Take the power cord, unravel it, and plug it into the power source there. And then what you're going to want to do is take your internet connection cable that you plugged in earlier and plug it into your internet port. And what this is doing is it's bringing the internet from your modem to your router, and from your router you'll be able to distribute it through the 4 local area ports, or you'll be able to distribute it wirelessly. Once you have that part set up, you're going to want to get your first machine. All your work has to be done directly connected through a wire before you do anything, because wireless isn't set up yet. So what you want to do is go ahead and plug it into port 1 on the back, like so. And what will happen is, when we do turn this on, all your lights will turn on and it'll show that you have a connection. But we're just doing this way so you can see what it looks like in general. So you have this going to your internet. This is going to go to your first machine that you're connecting to. In this case, we'll use this laptop. Plug it into the only port that it fits into. And this is your primary setup that you want to kind of have set up by the time everything is done. One machine connected to the router so you can manage it, and one cable connected to the internet source so you can get on the internet. Now we'll go to the screen. So this is what we want to have set up in the end. We have our router connected to our modem, which is also connected through the gray cable to the laptop, which is going to be our managing terminal.